first time doing it on stream. Shinze. So, we're gonna do it the right way. Right. Shinze. Don't even get hear that. What the fuck is suitcase? Ah! Thumbnail. Right. So that's the whole suitcase of Astro. Astro drop. Ah! Yeah. So, we're gonna do this. So first one is the cap. Right. So the cap builds in. And you can see the cap. Easy. Just a normal big cap. Astro drop on it. Easy. It's a bit dirty. I had a movie last night. Partying, man. But yeah, this unreleased. This is not for the community. This is not for no one. This is just personalized stuff that I have. It's in there. In there. One time. You see the dirt? You're not gonna wear with a beanie, but you know, why not say, man? Why not, man? Why can't we not wear like this? Huh? Why can't we not wear like this, man? Who said style should be like that? This look good on me, huh? That look almost like a scully cap. Now we're gonna do this like this. Huh? We're gonna like this or like this. Yo, the maid's gonna steal this now. Yeah, and the maid's steal the style straight. A beanie op a cap. A beanie op a cap. Oh, if everyone ever sees someone with a beanie and a cap on it, like this, then you know it's me, nah? You come back to the stream. Because look here, let's look fire, man. But yeah, stop playing games now. Right, cool. And then we have, you must be hier, man. Das ist so ein one-of-one bag. Een voor een zak wat ik normaal kan zien, hè? Hier, een voor een zak. One-of-one bag. That's yeah. It's a normal bag. Open it, you know. Here's like a, you see there's like a button here. So it's not like you're gonna close it now from this side. You're gonna make it in there. Your stuff in, basically. Let me take this part. Ik moest uit in the last in school, né? I haven't been in school for like fucking 10, 12 years now. So yeah, you'll be that. But yeah, I painted this hand painted. This was like 2020 some drip. 2020 vibes. That's what I did. COVID. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know where to start, man. Wait,